Good morning, security users. This is Brandon with Custom Alarm. Today we're going to show you some basic functions of the Vista Security panels using the alphanumeric keypads. The Vista Security family includes a different type of keypad, but today we are going to demonstrate the functions on the 6460S and 6460W. The W stands for white, S stands for silver, a little bit like this color right here. The first few functions we are going to demonstrate will be for the most common uses, arming and disarming your security system. Now keep in mind, you may have a remote interactive application such as Total Connect or Alarm.com. With these, you'll still be able to control your system, but for now, we're going to demonstrate the task on your keypad. There are a few different ways you can arm your system. There is arm to stay, arm to night, and arm to away methods. Also, there's quick arm, which is a way to arm your system without the use of a code. The quick arm method must be set up in programming by one of our custom alarm technicians. The first method we are going to show is arm to stay. This method is typically used when arming your system during the day or evening when you are moving around freely throughout your home. When using this arming task, all perimeter doors will be armed, but if you have any motion sensors in your home, they will not be in arm mode. To enable this, you will enter your 4-digit code plus 3 for the stay button. Our code is 1234, and then the number 3 for stay. As you will see on the screen, the system is arming to stay, letting us know we may exit now. To disarm the system, we are going to put in our 4-digit code, and then the number 1 for off. System is now disarmed. The next method we'll demonstrate is the arm to night or nighttime arming, as it is sometimes called. You typically would want to use this type of arming method before going to bed. With this function, your motion sensors will not be armed so that you can still move around the home freely. However, all of your perimeter doors will be set to arm with no delay. What this means is that all of the doors that are part of the system will go into alarm if opened. This will also include the doors that may be set up as perimeter entry-exit doors. To set up this arming type, you will enter your 4-digit code plus 7, which is the instant button. Our code is 1234, the number 7. System is now armed to instant. To disarm the system, we're going to enter our 4-digit code and then the 1 button for off. Our system is now disarmed. When leaving your home, you will want to use the arm away method. This ensures that all zones on your system will be armed, including your motion sensors. To do this, you will enter your 4-digit code plus 2, which is the away button. Again, 1234, number 2 for away. When the system is armed to away, it is giving you a countdown to exit the building. Once again, to disarm, 1234, which is our user code, and the number 1 for off. One thing we would also like to demonstrate is how to clear an alarm. To do this, you would enter your 4-digit code plus 1 to silence the alarm, and then repeat the same step of entering your 4-digit code plus a 1. And then to clear it out of memory, once again, our user code plus 1. The alarm has now cleared. What we're going to learn today is how to bypass a zone on your Vista security system. At times, you may notice a star or asterisk on the keypad. This is telling you that there is a trouble or open zone on the system. To see which zone this is, you can press the star or status button. It will show you a 2-digit number which will tell you which zone it is. On here we have an open zone on zone number 4, which is our panel door. Typically, if you were to close this, it would show that it is now a closed zone. However, there may be a time to where you would like to still arm the system even with this trouble zone being open. To do this, you will enter your 4-digit code plus 6 plus the zone number, which in our case is zone number 4. So I'm going to go ahead and enter our user code, the number 6 to bypass, and then the zone number, which is zone number 4. You will now see that zone number 4 is bypassed. I am now able to arm the system to any one of the arming methods. We're going to go ahead and arm this to away. As you will see, the system is now being able to be armed even with the bypass zone. To disarm, enter your user code and then 1 to clear. After disarming the system, you will see that there's still the star for the open fault. Thank you for taking some time to learn more about the arming and disarming methods for your Vista security panel.